I bought and tested these cold air intakes so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know the struggle of picking the right performance parts that actually deliver results. Let me take you through the top 5 best cold air intakes that can significantly enhance your engine's performance.
Product number 1, Moosin 4-inch cold air intake. When I first laid my hands on the Moosin 4-inch cold air intake, I could feel the quality right away. The kit comes with a black intake tube and a steel heat shield, and let me tell you, that carbon black powder coating looks stunning under the hood. I installed it on my 2004 GMC Sierra, and the difference was noticeable almost immediately. The performance boost was evident, especially on long drives where I could feel the engine breathing better and running smoother. What I loved about this kit is how vehicle-specific it is. It fits perfectly into my truck's engine bay, and the installation process was straightforward. I managed to do it in my driveway with basic tools, which is always a plus for someone like me who isn't a professional mechanic. The instructions were clear, which made the whole experience enjoyable. Pros? Well, the performance boost, of course. I noticed an increase in throttle response and a bit more horsepower, which is always nice to have when merging onto highways. The heat shield is another highlight, as it keeps the intake air cooler, enhancing the overall performance. Plus, the aesthetic appeal of the black finish adds a sleek look to your engine bay. On the flip side, the only downside I encountered was that the kit does not come with a reusable air filter, which means you'll need to replace it periodically. Additionally, while it's a performance part, I wish it came with a warranty to back up its durability claims. So why should you buy it? If you're looking for an affordable yet effective way to improve your engine's performance, the Moosin cold air intake is more than worth it. It's budget-friendly, simple to install, and delivers noticeable results. You can't go wrong with this kit if you're a Chevy or GMC owner looking to breathe new life into your vehicle.
Product number 2, Rough Country Cold Air Intake for Chevy Silverado. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake for the 09-13 Chevy Silverado was a game changer for my truck. When I first installed it, I was blown away by the immediate power increase. It felt like I had unlocked a hidden beast under the hood. This kit is designed to circulate cooler air, which is vital for performance, and I could feel that difference during my test drives. Installation was a breeze thanks to the vehicle-specific fit. I didn't need to struggle with vague instructions or extra hardware. Rough Country does a fantastic job of providing support, which made the process even easier. The premium reusable air filter is a big plus. I love that I don't need to keep buying new filters every few months. In terms of performance, this intake kit truly shines. The horsepower and throttle response increase was tangible. I noticed that my truck accelerated more smoothly and the engine felt more responsive overall. Additionally, the cooler air intake helps ensure that my engine runs efficiently, which is especially important during those hot summer months. However, while there are many positives, I did experience a slight increase in engine noise, which might not be to everyone's liking. Also, the price is a bit on the higher side, but considering the performance gains, it's an investment worth making. So, why should you consider this intake? If you own a Chevy Silverado and are looking to enhance your vehicle's performance without breaking the bank, the Rough Country Cold Air Intake is a solid option. It's easy to install, improves airflow, and provides a noticeable boost to your truck's capabilities.
Product number 3, K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake System for Ram 1500. When I got my hands on the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake System for my 2025 Ram 1500, I was excited to see how it would perform. K&N is a brand that's been around since 1969, and their reputation speaks for itself. The first thing that struck me was the sheer quality of the components. The oversized air filter and the CAD-designed intake tube are not just about looks, they are engineered to deliver maximum airflow and enhance performance. As I installed the system, I appreciated the thoughtful design that minimized the need for extra hardware. It was clear that K&N wanted to make this as user-friendly as possible. The quick lock technology for the air filter made securing everything a snap. Once installed, I took my truck for a spin, and wow, the difference was immediate. The engine roared to life with an exhilarating sound that made every drive feel special. The performance gains were impressive. I noticed a significant increase in horsepower and torque, which made driving much more enjoyable. The next-gen airbox also does an excellent job of lowering inlet air temperatures, which is crucial for engine efficiency. Plus, knowing that I was getting cleaner air into my engine gave me peace of mind. If I had to point out any cons, it would be the price. At $403.70, it's a bit of an investment. However, the no-hassle lifetime limited warranty provided by K&N offers reassurance that you're making a sound purchase. So why should you buy this intake? If you want to take your Ram 1500 to the next level in terms of performance and efficiency, the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake System is a no-brainer. It's high quality, easy to install, and delivers results that you can feel every time you hit the gas. Product number 4. Rough Country Cold Air Intake for Ford F-150. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake for the 2015-2020 Ford F-150 was another exciting addition to my collection of performance upgrades. When I first installed it, I was immediately impressed by how well it fit into my truck. The installation process was straightforward, and I appreciated the clear instructions that made it easy for someone like me who isn't a professional to install it without hassle. The moment I took my F-150 for a drive, the difference was palpable. This intake was designed to circulate cooler air, which means denser air entering the combustion chamber. This design translates to a noticeable increase in horsepower and throttle response. I could feel the truck's power surge, especially during acceleration, which made highway merging and overtaking a breeze. One of the standout features is the premium reusable air filter. I love that I won't have to keep buying new filters every few months. Plus, it's easy to clean, which saves me time and money in the long run. The build quality of the intake itself is solid, and I could tell that it was designed to withstand the rigors of everyday driving. However, I did notice a slight increase in engine noise, which might not appeal to everyone. Additionally, while the price is reasonable, it might still be a stretch for those on a tight budget. Product number 5. K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake for Dodge Ram 1500. The K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake for the 19 to 24 Dodge Ram 1500 is another stellar product from a brand I trust. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the engineering that went into this intake system. The oversized air filter and the CAD-designed intake tube are not just about aesthetics. They are designed to maximize airflow, which is crucial for enhancing engine performance. When it came to installation, I found that K&N had made it incredibly easy. The instructions were clear, and I managed to install it in under an hour. The quick lock technology for securing the air filter was a nice touch, making it easy to maintain down the line. After installation, I took my Ram for a test drive, and the results were astonishing. The engine roared to life in a way I hadn't experienced before, and the increase in horsepower and torque was immediately noticeable. The performance boost was complemented by the K&N Airbox, which effectively lowers inlet air temperatures. Cooler air means better combustion, and I could feel how lively my truck became during acceleration. The K&N brand has a long-standing reputation for quality, and this product did not disappoint. However, it does come with a higher price tag, which can be a deterrent for some. But when you consider the performance gains and the lifetime warranty, it becomes easier to justify. So why buy this intake? If you're serious about optimizing your Dodge Ram's performance, the K&N Next Gen Cold Air Intake is a worthy investment. In conclusion, whether you're looking to boost your Chevy, Ford, or Dodge, these cold air intakes deliver impressive performance enhancements. Each product has its unique benefits, so choose based on your vehicle and what you want to achieve. Don't hesitate to invest in your ride. You won't regret it.